Hey everyone! Just imagine if you could make money online up to $100 a month using a single free AI tool, without any special skills. Sounds unbelievable? Well, in 2025, it's totally possible. In this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how you can set up your own earning system using one free AI website. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you the complete process along with real earning examples. The AI world is exploding with new tools every single day. Most people just use them for fun or to save time. But smart people? They use AI to make money. And if you want to start earning from AI in 2025, this video is your full blueprint. Alright, first things first, the tool I'm talking about is, for example, gamma.app/pika.art/opusclip/leonardo.ai. It's a 100% free AI website that automatically creates stunning presentations/videos/content/voiceovers for you. And if you want to try this tool yourself, I've added the direct link in the video description below. Just click the link and sign up for free. It's the same one I personally use. The best part? You don't need to be a designer, a writer, or a tech expert. Just type your idea and AI does the rest for you. Let me show you exactly how it works step by step. 1. Go to the website and create your free account. 2. Choose what you want to make, for example, a presentation, video script, or design. 3. Enter your idea, like 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel. 4. Click generate and boom! AI creates a full project in seconds. Now here's the best part, you can sell this kind of AI-generated work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even to small businesses on Instagram and LinkedIn. Let's talk about the money part. How can you actually earn from this? Option 1. You can also build faceless YouTube channels using AI tools. Use ChatGPT for the script Pictory or OpusClip for videos, and 11 Lavia. Post short demo clips on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or LinkedIn. 5. Stay updated. New AI tools come out